So we need to solve the equation by completing this square. So first thing is we have to move the 96 to the other side. So we are going to add it to both sides. That gives us x squared plus 10x is equal to 96. Now we need to complete the square. So we take our b and we divide it by 2, which will give us 5. Then we take that 5 and we square it to give us 25. The 25 is what we will add to both sides of our equation here. That will give us that perfect square trinomial. So we will add 25. Now we need to factor the left-hand side using the perfect square trinomial. So if you remember, whatever this number is here, that's what is going to be your factored form. So two numbers that will multiply to 25 but add to 10 is 5 and 5. So then 96 plus 25 gives us 121. Now we take the square root of both sides. So the square root and the square will cancel. So we get x plus 5 is going to equal plus or minus 11. This will give us two equations. One where it equals positive 11 and one that equals negative 11. So then we solve. So subtract 5 from both sides. We will get x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative 16. So those are our answers, and you write them from smallest to greatest. So negative 16 and 6, and that's exactly how you will input it.